Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Latex Fashion and Style. Today I'm going to share with you very beautiful and stylish latex leather long boots for women and girls. These are very gorgeous and beautiful shoes. In our channel you will find all leather goods. Here you will see leather bags, leather shoes, leather mini skirts, leather micro skirts, leather jumpsuits, leather scatter skirts, leather scatter dresses, leather plus size dresses, leather skinny tight pants, leather long power dresses, leather long dresses, leather long gloves, leather hunter shoes, leather long rain shoes, leather long raincoats, and all other items of leather. If you are new to our channel and would like to see more leather goods, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. If you want to buy these products, let me tell you about the websites from where you can buy these beautiful and stylish designs. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you want to buy these products, let me tell you about the websites from where you can buy these shoes. So you can buy these shoes from amazon.com, etsy.com and aliexpress.com. We tell you about new fashion and things. Our channel is about western fashion. Thanks for watching. Remember me in your prayers. Take care. Goodbye.